Good morning everyone. My name is Sayyid Nasa. I am studying in 4th grade.
Good morning everyone. My name is Krishna Fatima. I am studying 4th grade. Today our topic is EVS.
Do you know famous monuments?
Yes, sir, I know. Taj Mahal, famous monuments, Uttar Pradesh. Red Fort, famous monuments, Delhi. Charminar, famous monuments, Telangana. Ellora Cave, famous monument, Maharashtra. Sanchi Sutta, famous monuments, Madhya Pradesh. Hawa Mahal, famous monuments, Rajasthan. Mysore Palace, famous monuments, Karnataka. Golden Temple, famous monuments, Punjab. Sana, do you know famous rulers who impact our culture?
Yes, Bushra, I know. Chandragupta Maurya, Akosha, Rani Vidhamma Sri Krishna Devaraya, Akbar, Rana Pratap, Chhatrapati Shivaji, Jhansi Lakshmibai.
Thank you.